Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice rational equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is here we can focus on the terms of numerator and denominator, and you can see that here we can take common m square from numerator, and so therefore we have m, we take common m square and we get m square times of m to the power of 6 minus 1 over m square times of m square minus 1 is equal to now 9. After that, here you can see that this m square is gone and we will obtain m to the power of 6 minus 1 over m square minus 1, and we can write this m6 as m cube square minus 1 cube over m square minus 1 is equal to 9. And after that, we can apply here the famous cubic formula, and you know that if we have a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times of a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so now we can apply this cubic formula on the numerator, and we will get m. So here you have m square cube. Okay, so in order to apply the cubic formula, we can we can break 6 as m to the power of 2 and whole power 3, so it will becomes m square cube minus 1 cube. And now we apply this cubic formula, so here we have m square minus 1 into m square whole square plus 1 square plus m square times of 1 over m square minus 1 is equal to 9. So here this m square minus 1 is gone, and we will get here m square to the power of whole square plus m square, and the 1 square will becomes 1 is equal to 9. Now we take 9 to the left hand side, and it will becomes m square whole square plus m square plus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. And after that we will get the remaining terms as m square to the power of whole square plus m square minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can change this expression in a simplified form, so that we can take m square is equal to y, and when we substitute this m square by y in this equation, then it will becomes y square plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 8. And now we can apply cubic formula here, and you know that the cubic formula is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. So now we can substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we will obtain minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 times of 1 into minus 8 square root over 2 times of 1. Okay, so now we can simplify this term, and we will find the values of y as minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 32 square root over 2. So here we will obtain -1 plus minus 33 square root over 2. Now we can break both terms and we can write it as -1 plus 33 square root over 2 and -1 minus square root of 33 over 2. So here we have two factors of the quadratic equation. So you can see here, uh, because here we can substitute y is equal to m square, because in the above, if you can see here, we can take y is equal to m square. So when we back substitute the value of y, so it will becomes m square is equal to -1 plus 33 square root over 2. When we can replace similar term here, m square is equal to minus times of 1 plus 33 square root over 2. So here you can see that in order to find the value of m square, we can take square root on both sides. So when you can take square root on both sides, then this term, when we take square root on both sides, then this term will becomes complex, and you can see in the question statement we can solve this problem only for real roots. So this expression will becomes the complex root, so we can reject these roots and we can just proceed this root only. Okay, so here we can take square root on both sides, and finally we will get m is equal to -1 plus 33 square root and whole square root over 2. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.